Hi everyone, this is Chef Megha from Hearth and I. Welcome to the Teachers Day special 24-hour non-stop cooking marathon. और every hour आप जो viewers हैं, आप लोग अपने teachers को कुछ dedicate कर सकते हैं and Amul will be giving out free chocolates to the best whoever they pick out. So that's very exciting. आज हमारे साथ I have three wonderful women. One is Poonam Kanodia, who's my Masi, who has the genes of the most of amazing food. Like I think I get my genes from her. Then I have Debbie, who is also, she's from the US and she's a wonderful food blogger. She makes amazing food. Please check her out. And then there's Pooja, my little sister, who I adore. She's a pastry chef and she's won a competition in the US. I don't know the exact name, I keep forgetting, but she was the only Indian to have ever won it. So this is the team I'm cooking with, three wonderfully strong women. तो आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम सब लेयर्स में डिश बनाएंगे. तो मैं शुरू करूंगी टू टाइप्स ऑफ इन्फ्यूज बटर्स के साथ और जल्दी से क्रीम चीज कैसे बनाते हैं घर में. तो इसके साथ शुरू करेंगे. उसके बाद हम आपके लिए एक स्टार्टर बनाएंगे और एक मतलब ये आप नाश्ते में वैसे खा सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि नाश्ते में नहीं खा सकते. और एक फिर सैंडविच बनेगा और एक बहुत डिलिशियस डिजर्ट बनेगा. तो शुरू करते हैं ऑफ कोर्स अमूल बटर के साथ. एज एवरीथिंग वंडरफुल स्टार्ट्स विद अमूल बटर. मैं अपना स्क्रीन नीचे कर रही हूँ थोड़ा ताकि आप लोग देख सकें. ठीक है. तो इन्फ्यूज बटर के लिए ना कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं रहते हैं. इसके लिए एक चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपका जो बटर है बाहर रखा हो और मेल्ट कर. इट शुड बी मेल्टेड, इट शुड बी स्टिफ, नहीं तो आप इन्फ्यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. और जितना दिन आप रखेंगे इन्फ्यूज करके ना उतना दिन वो फ्लेवर्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. तो अब बनाते हैं इन्फ्यूज गार्लिक बटर. इसमें बस गार्लिक चॉप करके डाल दिया मैंने और थोड़ा ओरिगानो मैंने डाल दिया इसके ऊपर. अब ये आपको जो भी हर्ब्स आपके पास है आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओरिगानो और पार्सली ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है साथ में.
I wasn't able to verify.
A little bit of chili.
बाकी मेरी वीडियो शुरू हो गई है मैम.
Megha ma'am, we lost your audio.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So where did you lose me from? Let me know, please. I'll restart.
Adding oregano and parsley, whatever herbs you have.
Oregano, parsley और whatever herbs आपके पास जो भी herbs है. और मैंने थोड़ा सा चिली फ्लेक्स डाला इसमें, just to give it a little zing. और ये देखिए आप बस इसको whisk करके ये आपका बटर रेडी हो गया. अब मैं दूसरा एक बटर बना रही हूँ. अब आपके पास लिटरली जो भी है घर में, अगर आप उसमें प्याज भी डाल सकते हैं महीन काट कर, मशरूम्स डाल सकते हैं. इसमें मैं थोड़ा ऑलिव्स डाल रही हूँ, इसमें मैं थोड़ा चिली फ्लेक्स डाल रही हूँ. सॉरी दिख रहा नहीं आप लोग को. और मेरी फेवरेट चीज जो मैं बहुत यूज करती हूँ, इसमें मैं माइक्रोग्रीन्स डाल रही हूँ. माइक्रोग्रीन्स बहुत हेल्दी होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हेल्दी होते हैं. ये बेसिकली बेबी प्लांट्स होते हैं और ये हार्वेस्ट होते हैं बहुत यंग. ये आपका हो गया इन्फ्यूज बटर तैयार. इसको मैं अभी थोड़ा 2 मिनट रखूंगी. तब तक मैं आप लोग को दिखाऊंगी कैसे बनाते हैं जल्दी से घर में क्रीम चीज. ये ऑफ कोर्स द क्लासिक अमूल क्रीम. दिस इज I mean, what would we chefs do without Amul cream? I don't know. I have no idea. और इसमें आप डालेंगे पनीर. अमूल का पनीर ले लीजिए, थोड़ा ही सही पनीर देखिए. और इसको आप ब्लेंड करेंगे एकदम स्मूथ पेस्ट में. अभी मैं ब्लेंड करती हूँ इसको. सेकंड. मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. देखिए ये पूरी एकदम अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गई है. इसको आप अगर और देर ब्लेंड करेंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स और भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हैं, बट ये रेडी है आपका. ऑलमोस्ट कुछ लम्स हैं, मैं ज्यादा टाइम लूंगी नहीं ताकि और भी डिशेस जो है सब तैयार हो जाए. पर ये मैंने ब्लेंड करा था 2 घंटा पहले, तो आप देखिए 2 घंटे में ये सेट हो गया एकदम क्रीम चीज के तरह, देख रहे हैं. सो इट्स परफेक्ट आपका डिजर्ट्स के लिए. और ये आप टोस्ट वगैरह पे भी लगा के खा सकते हैं, बहुत डिलिशियस होते हैं. अब मैं नेक्स्ट रेसिपी जो है इन्फ्यूज बटर के साथ बनाएंगी डेबी. डेबी हैज लॉग्ड इन फ्रॉम द यूएस, सो प्लीज वेलकम हर एवरीवन. एंड डेबी, ऑन टू यू प्लीज.
Hi everybody, this is Debbie Banerjee. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I will be making a achar grilled cheese with amul butter. So I've already prepared the garlic and herb butter with some chives, red pepper flakes, and garlic powder with the amul butter. I'm gonna go ahead and just take regular slice of bread. I'm gonna toast one side down. I'm gonna take some of the mixed butter. Spread it while it's hot, and please be careful because we don't want anybody burning their fingers.
Debbie, I mean, how many times you must be using amul butter a lot in the US? Do you get it easily there?
We do, yes. Anytime we go to the Indian grocery store, we always get amul butter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and just flip it, toast it a little bit on the side. And then I also have here just red chili achar. Any kind of achar works for this. If you want a spicy or sweet achar, I always just tend to go for a spicy achar. So I'm gonna go ahead and just layer a little bit on each side.
That's quite interesting. I've never used achar for a dressing, for a spread.
Yeah.
Very, very cool.
Yeah. My dad actually, he's also my teacher, shout out. He would always love any kind of crazy combinations. So we always had something like this growing up, me and my sisters. So
Yeah.
then I'm going to go ahead and take some cheese. I have a shredded mozzarella cheese here, but any kind of shredded like wet cheese is really good as the first layer.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to just take a slice of American cheese.
But it's for this, I think you can also use like the regular Amul processed cheese that they have with a mix of the Amul mozzarella, right? So that's also quite delicious. So when you mix the two together, there's a beautiful, flavor that's created.
Exactly, yeah. It's going to be really good. So I'm just going to check on the bottom, still toasting.
Oh, nice. I like your griller, looks very nice.
Thank you. I'm actually at my in-laws' house, and this is all of their things. This is their kitchen, so I am super grateful for them for having me here and letting me use all the things. So, check.
So while you're cooking, I'd like to quickly thank. I didn't get a chance. I quickly went through the recipe. So I would love to thank all my teachers. I don't even know where to start from. My teachers in Le Cordon Bleu in Paris, जिसने literally मेरे साथ put up करा. मैं इतनी बदमाश थी. They were so kind, they were so like welcoming and so kind. And उसके बाद of course इंडिया में मैंने काफी शेफ्स से मिला, और एक शेफ जो हमेशा से एकदम who's been so like a backbone with all my questions and everything has been Chef Michael. So thank you, Chef Michael. See, Debbie, moving on to you. I think you're ready with your next step.
Yes. So I've gone ahead and put both sides together, and so I'm letting for the cheese to melt, but it's already starting to brown a little bit on both sides. I'll let that cook.
So you put cheese inside and you put some butter and some achar, right?
Yeah. So on the outside, I put the seasoned almond butter, and on the inside is just this red chili achar, and then I have 2 different cheeses in here.
Oh, wonderful. I love grilled cheese. It's like a combination of grilled cheese.
It's such a good comfort food, like anywhere you go, anytime, any place. And just like we were just watching before, the paneer toast, the cheese toast that we just watched just now. So that looked really good. That sounds like a really good breakfast food in the morning. So
yeah, and such beautiful presentation as well. It was lovely.
Exactly.
Nice.
Toasting that up.
Debbie, would you like to shout out for any of your teachers? Do you have any special teachers? Because today is a special Teachers Day episode that we're doing. Well, not episode, but 24-hour marathon. Can you imagine? Has this ever happened in the history of the world? I don't even know.
I know, it's so awesome to just be here even today to celebrate that. But yeah, I mean, I feel like I have a lot of teachers. I feel like I'm always still learning and I never want to stop learning.
Yeah.
I still continue to. My mom still teaches me everything, all the good subjis, all the good everything. She teaches me how to make awesome, awesome food. And, you know, really my main really inspiration behind all of the crazy combinations like you see on my blog is just all comes from my dad. Like we just used to always cook very, very unique and crazy things, crazy combinations, ways to fuse Indian and American flavors so that way me and my sisters would kind of, you know, try everything just in case we didn't like it, you know, so it was always a good way to trial and error. So that was a good teaching method I grew up with my dad. So I'm glad we had that. So the grilled cheese is still toasting up, it's getting brown. I did also have one that I had prepared. So it will, once it's completely cooked,
Oh, nice. Oh,
it will
wonderful.
look
Wonderful.
very-
Looks amazing. So should we move on to Poonam? Poonam, guys. Poonam is my Masi, by the way. Like she's like a godmother to me. So let's move to Poonam Masi, and she is a brilliant chef. Like you guys have to eat her food. I hope someday everyone does. And she started her own line of granola, like really healthy granola. So if you get a chance, please get some from her. Poonam Masi, on to you. Debbie will come back to you. You can all show up platings in the end together. Yes?
All right, sounds good.
Hi, I'm Poonam Kanodia.
Masi, little louder.
Yeah.
Little louder, please.
Okay. So I'm Poonam Kanodia, and my roots are from Calcutta, where I think all of us are linked to Calcutta, what
Yeah.
I can see. But now I stay in Prayagraj / Allahabad, and I'm a very, very passionate home cook.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so I'm going to make a garlic bread today with
Oh, yum. Yum. That looks delicious.
Amul cheese, and though we never got Gouda Amul in Allahabad, but I'm still going to use the mozzarella and the processed Amul cheese.
Wonderful.
Obviously, Amul butter, which is made by Megha.
Well, same thing. You or me. After जो पहले वाला Amul, like which I had done with this different kinds of cheese, everyone has been messaging, asking where do you get these different cheese. So all the Amul guys, we need more Gouda in the market. You know, everyone's like so excited to see all these different Amul products.
So I've taken a garlic bread and you cut it into 3.
What bread is that you're using? Is that like a loaf? What bread are you using?
Garlic loaf.
It's a garlic loaf.
Any uncut bread
Okay.
also, and or French loaves.
ठीक है. So but the bread has to be a soft bread. वो baguette जैसा French वाला वो तो कड़ा हो जाता है. कोई softish bread चाहिएगा मैं.
Yes, you need a soft bread, which I had kept out. I bought this 2 days back
हाँ जी.
on Friday, and I kept it out so that it becomes a little hard from the outside.
हाँ.
And
Oh nice. हल्का सा वो जो old, बल्कि मासी like in Switzerland जो fondue वगैरह जो serve करते हैं वहाँ पर they prefer serving 2 दिन पुराना bread बोलते हैं. वो old bread का जो texture और taste होता है वो अलग ही हो जाता है.
yes,
Not fungus bread, of course, guys, but just older bread. Clarifying that.
so I'm using this butter, which I've put parsley and olives, and always so that butter doesn't. And please use a lot of butter.
As the French say, the secret to good food is butter, and more butter.
Yes. And I'm adding a little olive oil so that the butter doesn't burn.
देखिए ये सब tips आपको ऐसी lady से मिलेंगी. She has all these little secrets, so please watch her intently.
This is a recipe that I started cooking with this. I think now nearly 15 years, and it's still my children's favorite garlic bread. If I make, say, lasagna or any European dish, they always tell me that, Mama, we want to have the garlic bread.
I can smell. I can almost imagine the smell over here.
And this is spring onions cut into very tiny bits.
हाँ. तो जो हरा प्याज का white portion भी use करें या फिर सिर्फ green वाला area?
Only the green.
Only the green parts. Okay.
Yeah.
पर आपका जो flame है ये low पर है कि high पर है? Is your flame?
It's medium.
Medium. Okay.
This is red chili.
Yeah.
Crushed red chili. We add very little salt because the bread also has salt and the cheese also.
And even the butter, unless you're using the unsalted Amul butter, using the normal butter, na, which is also little salted.
Yeah.
Guys, Amul का जो unsalted butter is amazing for baking. जो भी यहाँ पर chef से मतलब मेरी बहन next जो pastry chef है वो बताएगी, it's amazing the unsalted butter.
Yes, it is. Believe me.
वो तो you can have it like सफेद मक्खन with paratha also. So amazing.
So this is almost done. And now I had cut up some bread in the evening. The garlic bread that I had, and I'm going to add that.
But आप ये जो what you saying this garlic bread? What is this garlic bread? Is this garlic bread which is store bought garlic bread ready मिलते हैं वो bread है कि कोई normal loaf आप use कर रहे हैं?
No, this is a store bought garlic bread.
अच्छा.
But you can use normal any bread. Like I said before,
Okay.
any uncut bread is good.
Okay.
The only thing is that you it should be a little old.
But old ka, what is the reason for it to be old? What is the reason
Because
behind
if the bread is too soft,
it?
it won't cut properly first of all,
Okay.
and it will be too mushy.
Okay. Yeah, that makes
Because
sense.
you can see the pieces are all separate.
So, yeah, absolutely. They look like perfectly cut potatoes. They just so nicely define the bread. That's amazing. That's a great tip actually. Nice. It looks really interesting. So nice. And this will go really well with soup also.
Yes, you can use it with soup. You can use it as an appetizer, your drinks, and just serve it with any dip.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Nice.
And today I would like to dedicate my session to a nutrition teacher called Mrs. Bajpai. And I had taken nutrition in my higher secondary.
Yeah.
And we were taught how to butter, toast the perfect bread on the pan and butter it. And in those days, good old Amul was always there with us.
Of course.
I am talking about 40 years back, guys.
Wow. So, okay, so what does she say about how to butter it perfectly?
So the thing was, like, say, this is the piece of bread. The thing about buttering it was taking the butter to the corner so that when you first bite into it, you get the tastiest bite.
Yeah, like a moist, tasty part. Nice.
Yes. We usually just don't bother and use up the.
Because the corners are usually one usually doesn't go all the way to the corner. That's actually a very simple but interesting thing to always remember.
Guys, I'm adding more butter.
Yeah, please go ahead. Are you going to roast this further in the pan? Are you going to make this crisp and nice?
Yeah. It's already crisp. See if you can see this. It's already crisp and nice.
Oh, nice.
See?
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And I'm now going to add the cheese. This is Amul cheese that I've added, the processed ones.
वाओ मासी, अब इलाहाबाद आने का मन कर रहा है, इतना डिलीशियस था बना रहे खाना.
The more the merrier. The more cheese, the merrier. Keep adding.
I'm adding some basil.
Nice.
And some oregano. So it's like a mix of herbs. And here I'm adding some mozzarella from Amul, which is actually a lifesaver when I have to make my pizzas.
Yeah. आपको इलाहाबाद में तो actually you must be getting, like, I think these two cheeses सबसे ज़्यादा आपको use हो रहा होगा ना, for your work and even for eating generally.
Yes. And some peppercorns. I had pink peppercorns.
Oh, that's a beautiful surprise.
Yeah. So I think it's done, and I'm going to plate it now.
Okay, so should we? You want to plate it now, or should we move to puja and then we can all plate it? Or you can finish it.
Done. Yes.
Yeah. So you can just kind of. Okay, cool. Puja, please, the stage is yours. Pastry chef winner, go ahead.
Hi everyone, my name is Pooja and I am a professional pastry chef. I was the first Indian to place in the US pastry junior competition. Studied in New York, and I'm originally from Calcutta and I had my home bakery there, but now I've moved back to New York permanently and I've started my blog. So loving that I'm sharing recipes with y'all. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really delicious chocolate hazelnut pie. I made the cream cheese the way Megha taught us. So I'm going to flip the camera over so you can see what I'm doing. Just give me a minute.
I'm excited, Pooja. Your desserts are always so tasty and they're never extra sweet, which is the most important thing to remember with desserts, you know?
And they're always just so unique. Everything Pooja just like blows my mind away.
Not every, really.
Okay, so I have some digestive biscuits here, or you can use graham crackers that I've just made it into a sand-like texture. So if you can see, this is like really sandy. And obviously our favorite Amul butter. I mean, living here also, I love Amul butter.
फ्रिज में हमेशा रहता होगा वहाँ पर अमूल बटर.
Always, I have the big block.
Yeah.
We always have the big block of Amul butter and Amul cheese.
Oh wow.
So I'm just gonna grind this up. Sorry guys for the noise. So just कोई भी food processor में कर सकते हैं and फिर mix कर दीजिए एक बार कि सब mix हो जाए.
This can be done by hand also, na?
Oh yeah, this can be done by hand very easily. It's just if you're processing the biscuits in a processor, just easy to use, less utensils.
Yeah, there you have no help, so life is...
Oh yeah, we no help, so we only use minimum amount of everything that's possible. So this is the tart mold that I'm using. You can use a foil, you can use non-stick, any kind. So
tell us again, what are you making? Are you making a chocolate pie? What are you doing? Tell us.
I'm making a chocolate hazelnut pie using Amul butter and homemade cream cheese using Amul cream.
You made it the way I made it, right?
I made it the way you made it.
Wonderful.
Yes.
See how wonderful the textures come out.
Yeah, I'm gonna show that in a minute. I'm just so we have our pie crust. So take a spoon, or I'm using a measuring cup, and just flatten it along the sides on the base. You can get it as thick or thin as you want. I like a little thicker crust because I like that crunch and texture, but you can make it as thick or thin you want to.
Well,
So
a very nice way of doing it. Nice quick trick. I usually use my hands. This is amazing.
No, this is really easy, and you get, if you can see, you get those perfect edges also on the side.
Wow, wonderful, yeah.
So this is really easy to do.
Nice.
This is really easy to do that.
Nice.
Okay, so now this, you can put it in the fridge to chill. I'm going to show you how to make the filling. So this is
Pooja? In the fridge?
half an hour to 5 hours is good. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so this is just a chocolate hazelnut spread that I'm using. This is the cream cheese that I made. You can see it's very smooth and it was so easy. So thank you, Meghadi, for teaching us how to make that. So
thank you, Amul, for the products.
Yes, Amul for the product always. Amul, please. I'm hearing so much about your different kinds of cheeses that I don't get here. So maybe if you want to get it to US.
Yeah, you have many. Yeah, I mean, Amul has
many people, like all my family, everyone here swear by Amul. So you have a lot of clientele. So you just want to mix this together. This is going to be a little lumpy in the beginning, but now we add whipped cream. Just cream that I've whipped to soft peaks, heavy cream. I've not added any sugar or anything because our paste, the hazelnut paste is anyway really sweet, so you don't want too much sugar.
Yeah.
And you whisk from the center going out. It's like making a ganache, essentially. Like that's the process of whisking this.
So for this, so we can up to, I don't know if we get this in the US or not, but in India we have so many different types of Amul chocolate bars now.
I know, and in fact I heard about today only someone was telling me that they found Amul chocolate in the Indian store, and I was feeling so jealous because I don't get it in my Indian store.
No, but I mean, I've made so much like different flavors of the chocolates that are there. I've made different flavors of ganache using the cream.
I used it in Calcutta when I used to run my home bakery there, and everyone loved the flavor. They used to be like, "Which chocolate do you use?" I'm like, "I use like made in India."
That feels nice to say, right?
It's amazing. So you can see that now that I've whisked it all together, it's like a smooth satin ribbon type feeling, and that's your filling. That's it. It's literally 3 ingredients that you whisk together. And we can take a pie mold, a ready pie crust, and we pour it in.
That looks so yummy.
Thank you.
Looks so good.
I think Sunday cheat meal is ready, right?
Oh yeah. That looks perfect.
And I'm going to give a shout out to my teachers in India, because I studied in modern high school in Calcutta, so my home science teachers there were amazing. And then in JT Builder as well, they pursued me to get into baking. And then my school in New York, where I had the chefs who helped me through the transition from going to India to America. So that was amazing. I think I'm learning every single day in this field. And one of my first teachers was Meghadi. She's been teaching me since I was a child.
Please. Oh, please.
So now I made a pie before. I made a pie before that has been sitting in the fridge for like 3 hours. And I just put some whipped cream on the sides and chocolate shavings, and that's it.
Oh, amazing.
This is literally a 6-ingredient chocolate dessert that's made. It's eggless. You don't need the oven or anything. I'm going to flip the camera back on.
Oh, nice. Wonderful. That was really amazing. That was amazing. So
Thank you.
So, I would love for you to quickly, maybe we'll go step by step to do a quick plating. I'll start, and then Debbie, you can do your plating. Purnamasi, you can do yours, and Pooja, you can do yours. Maybe just cut a slice so we can also.
Yeah, I'm going to cut a slice and show.
Eat a bite for all of us who are watching. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do the plating of the butter. If you want to even put this butter on the table when if you're having a dinner party, or if you have friends coming over, you can just put this butter with some crudettes or with some breadsticks, kuch bhi, it's really delicious. So one way of doing it is use a spatula. It's always easier. You can use a larger bowl. Don't stuff your bowls, take a larger bowl, considering आपका जो भी quantity होगा उससे ज़्यादा take a bigger bowl, and see, it's really simple. You can just swirl it around like this.
Oh,
right?
wow.
Right? And then this little butter that I have left over here, I'm just going to put a little lump, like unevenly, you know. Sometimes imperfections are beautiful, you know, so just a little bit there.
That's so beautiful.
And then just put, you know, maybe a little, if you can get hold of edible flowers. अगर edible flowers नहीं मिलते, आप लोग rose petals भी use कर सकते हो, उसमें अच्छा सा flavor आ जाएगा. Even गेंदा का फूल is edible. So देखिए, just a little bit makes it look so lovely. और थोड़ा अगर green add
That would be
करना
very nice.
थोड़ा green भी add कर सकते हो, you know, on top, just to give it a little more life if you want to, you know. So that's that. एक और plating just मैंने एक और जल्दी से मैंने कर लिया, and just something very simple. तो आप table पे if you keep it on a table when you have a buffet service, like having starters, it just you know, it brightens up the table. And of course ये तो मैं plate नहीं करूँगी, ये तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ, पर देखिए कितना easy था ये, but ये sorry अमूल cream cheese, अबे अमूल cream cheese ही बोलूँगी मैं, तो literally it was अमूल paneer and अमूल cream, and you
It's
can
very easy.
राइट एंड ये मैंने यूज करा बेकिंग में भी. अगर आप नो बेक तो मैं तो कर ही सकते, पर इसे आप बेक भी कर सकते हो. सो इट्स रियली रियली इजी टू मेक. एंड ओवर टू यू, डेबी.
Okay. So I feel like a grilled cheese, you can always just, you know, plate it in any way. I have right here just with some chives on top. Another trick just to add some more sauce.
Oh, yum. Look at that cheese. Oh my god.
I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think I was gonna have a cheese pull, but I have one now. So, so just to add a little bit more the achar on the side.
Nice.
Just have a little.
That is
amazing.
Not sure if you can tell.
What if we add some mayo with the achar? You know, that could also be like a nice side to go with it, right? That would be a fun thing as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure that'll be really good. I don't have any on me right now, but that will be fantastic.
Looks amazing. Can you break that sandwich for us one more time so we can all
yeah.
eat? I want you to break the sandwich for us one more time.
Oh yeah, I can.
We can see that beautiful cheese. Oh wow! Look at that, guys.
That is amazing.
Amazing, so tasty.
That was a terrible split, but yeah, I got the cheese bowl. We'll see if the other one does the same thing.
So I feel like what Jagged used to do with his pizzas.
Amazing. Yeah.
Like he used to show those strings in the comic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it's my husband's birthday today, so I'm also gonna make the birthday boy try this right
Happy
now.
birthday! Happy birthday! Thank you, Debbie. Let's move.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What about
Thank you, Megha and team.
Thank you.
The taste of it.